Welcome to the mechanical universe, where we celebrate the art and science of mechanical mastery. If you're someone who loves to understand how things work, or if you're just looking to expand your knowledge of mechanical systems, then you're in the right place. Whether it's industrial machinery or complex vehicle components, this channel is designed to give you an in-depth look into the mechanical world. So, if you're ready to dive in, make sure to stick around and subscribe for more fascinating insights. In this video, we'll take you inside a local small factory that specializes in manufacturing U-bolts for the leaf springs of dumper trucks. U-bolts are critical components in heavy-duty vehicles, ensuring the secure attachment of leaf springs to the axle. This guarantees stability and load-bearing capacity, which is essential for vehicles like dumper trucks that operate under extreme stress and heavy loads. There are several types of U-bolts used in different applications, with the most common ones being round U-bolts, square U-bolts, and semi-round U-bolts. Each type is designed to fit different axle and frame shapes. These bolts are made from high-grade steel, usually hardened and treated to withstand immense pressure and resist corrosion, ensuring durability even in harsh working environments. The specifications of U-bolts vary depending on the truck's size, axle diameter, and the thickness of the leaf springs. Common specifications include diameter, length, and thread size, with the strength rating often marked to meet industrial standards. Proper sizing and fitment are crucial, as they prevent the leaf springs from shifting under load, which could lead to serious mechanical failure. The purpose of U-bolts in a dumper truck is to securely clamp the leaf spring pack to the axle, allowing the suspension system to perform efficiently. Without proper U-bolts, the suspension could fail, leading to a dangerous loss of control of the vehicle. The aim of using high-quality U-bolts is to provide long-term reliability, making the truck safer to drive. 2. Why U-bolts are important for safety when it comes to safety. U-bolts play a major role. A loose or damaged U-bolt can cause serious problems, like the leaf spring coming loose, which could lead to a loss of control. To prevent accidents, it's important to check U-bolts regularly, ensuring they're tightened properly and free of wear. Strong, well-maintained U-bolts keep the truck running smoothly and safely, even on rough roads.